footprints left now.
I bet they belong to our culprit. Let's get him! The footprints go in this direction, so I'm sure the culprit's somewhere around here.
Hey, look! Isn't that Coco's seashell?
You're right!
It is! It's my seashell!
Let's check it out!
It looks like the seashell got broken. How are we going to find him now?
Yep! Hey, thief, come on out!
The other seashell that the culprit left behind was broken too. The seabird said that seashells were too hard for it to eat. The crab said it didn't need seashells because it already had a strong shell. Maybe the culprit took the shell not because of Coco's painting, but because it needed the shell to protect its body like Baba.
You mean my clamshell?
That's right. Since Coco's seashell got broken, I bet the culprit is out looking for a shell to replace it.
On our way over here, I remember seeing a big, strong seashell.
Let's go and stake it out. If we wait right here, I'm sure the culprit will show up.
Oh, look, guys! That's our culprit. It has paint on its feet.
Fess up! You're the one that took Coco's seashell with the painting, aren't you?
Painting? Are you talking about that colorful seashell? I banged it against a rock by accident, so I had to throw it away. Oh, I have to hurry and get inside another seashell before my body dries up.
Now the mystery is solved! The culprit that took Coco's painting was the hermit crab. Hermit crabs live in hot areas and like to eat tropical fruits.
Oh, it's so cute.
If they grow and get too big for their shell, or their shell breaks, then they find another shell and move in. That's how Coco's seashell became a hermit crab's home for a while, too.
Rabby.
So the bears have moved away because they're hungry? Aha! In that case, if there's not enough food in Ice Kingdom, then the bears must have gone somewhere warm.
Captain, I saw a lot of fish in the river before.
All right, gentlemen, we're off to the river.
Good gracious! I guess the only thing left to eat here is that! It looks like it.
If so, the polar bears might come here. Detectives, prepare for Operation Stakeout.
Okay.
However, several hours passed and still no sign of polar bears. We ended up falling asleep.
Are you the greatest predator here?
That's right. There's no one greater.
We have finally found you. Now the mystery is solved.
What?
Aren't you a polar bear? The greatest predator in Ice Kingdom?
What? The greatest predator here isn't the polar bear, but me, the brown bear!
The polar bears have come! Wake up, you guys! It was a long stakeout, but we got to see a family of polar bears that came in search of food. Now the mystery is solved! Hey, polar bear, did you come all the way here to find food?
Yes, The sea lions have gone, so my children and I are very hungry.
The melting ice has forced many animals to leave Ice Kingdom.
I'm hungry, Mommy.
Oh, hold on, sweetie. We're almost there.
Sea lions are the polar bear's main food source, but as the glaciers melted, they moved away, making it hard for polar bears to survive. So they went in search of food. Even at night, they kept on searching.
I feel so bad for the poor polar bears.
I can't stand being hungry even for a minute. I'm going to give you guys all my favorite snacks right now.
We'll give ours too.
In our hopes to keep the polar bears from starving, we shared what little food we had with the family. Here are the footprints. Okay, let's follow them to the... Huh? What are you doing? Wake up! Open your eyes! Open them! Huh? It's a long trail of footprints. Who on earth could have made them?
It looks like a wheel made these prints.
Huh? That's it. The dead insects must have been eaten and discarded by whatever made these footprints.
What if it's some kind of scary monster with wheels?
Or a scary ghost with wheels that comes out at night.
Stop talking nonsense and be serious. This was definitely done by something that hunts at night. Let's go examine the area carefully.
Okay.
What's that? Baba, Molly, did you see that? Baba, Molly? What is that? A ghost!
Pete! It's me, Bubba!
See, Baba, I told you we shouldn't play tricks.
The night passed, and we only ended up making a commotion. We greeted the morning with no clues or leads. Last night, something dark and gruesome definitely passed by here. It left a long trail of prints, and it preyed on innocent insects. I, the great forest detective, could have caught the culprit.
I'm sure the culprit's still somewhere around here.
Let's go find it, Baba. Stop right there! Stop right there!
A crab's footprints. They were different from the prints we found.
Come back here!
A wharf roach's footprints. Again, the faint footprints were different from the ones we found.
An ant!
It came out of this hole! Molly, secure the scene.
Got it!
The ant was skinny, as if the life was sucked out of it. And there was the mysterious hole that the ant came out of. This is definitely the ant trap we've been looking for. I wonder what's inside the hole.
Oh no, maybe! There's a blood-sucking monster inside waiting to eat us!
Now that's just silly.
No, it isn't!
Yes, it is.
Quiet! We must get this critter out, but how will we lure him outside?
Why, you?
Caught another one. Huh, you're not an ant.
I knew it! So it was you who dug this trap to catch ants.
That's right, it was me.
After investigating, we discovered the culprit was an ant-lion larva.
There's no other insect that can dig a trap like me. You wanna see? Now, all I have to do is wait.
Whoa! Help me!
You can't escape.
The ant-lion larva sucked the fluids out of the ant. Then it tossed its empty shell outside. About a year later, the ant-lion larva made a round cocoon of sand and became a pupa. And after 2 weeks, it transformed into an adult antlion and flew off high into the sky. This is where the ant and the fly were attacked. Initiate mission!
I won't get eaten, right?
Aw, man, you're not a real fly, Ribby.
Fess up! You attacked the fly and the ant, didn't you?
Mess up!
No way, dude. I just moved here today. This is my first hunt.
Really?
Well, it looks like my first prey won't be a fly, but I guess I can make do with you guys.
Hey, wait for me!
If we only had some solid clues.
Look! It's an ant!
Where? I bet if we follow that ant, we'll be able to find the culprit. Come on, let's tail him. I think he came this way.
Oh, hey guys, what's this?
After investigating, we found out that it was an antlion's larva's trap pit.
Hey, did you just eat the ant that came this way?
Ant? I haven't seen an ant in days.
Don't you lie!
Baba, lay into her more. She's lying through her teeth.
Hey, the ant's over there!
Wait, so it wasn't eaten by the antlion larva? Let's keep following it.
I'm sinking.
The ant disappeared again. Did it fall into the ground? Did it rise to the sky? How could it have disappeared into thin air?
Oh, I hear a fly!
Over that way.
Hey, Pete, I almost died back there.
Baba, did you see a fly?
No.
I could have sworn I heard a fly. Pete, don't fail me now!
Help me! Help me, please!
I couldn't couldn't believe my eyes. But I decided to observe the plant that had attacked Molly. Suddenly... Ah! The plant just ate a fly! Apparently, the plant was a carnivorous plant that preyed on insects by luring them in with strong smells. Carnivorous plants live in areas where the soil lacks nutrients, so they eat insects to get the nutrients they need. The mystery is solved!